Over 60. These 9 berries fight memory loss and keep your brain sharp, naturally and deliciously. Number 1. Strawberries. Gentle defense against brain inflammation. Strawberries may look like just a sweet snack, but for seniors over 60, they're a powerful natural weapon against memory decline. These berries are rich in anthocyanins, quercetin, and ellagic acid, antioxidants that help fight inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, 2 leading causes of age-related cognitive decline. A major Harvard study involving over 16,000 women aged 70 and older found that those who ate 2 or more servings of strawberries per week experienced a delay in memory decline of up to 2.5 years. That's a real, measurable difference just from adding strawberries to the weekly menu. Let's talk about Judith, a 72-year-old retired teacher who came to us feeling frustrated. She was forgetting her grandchildren's birthdays and mixing up names. Instead of recommending more medication, we suggested she add a handful of strawberries to her breakfast 5 days a week. After 6 weeks, she returned with a brighter mood, stronger recall, and even the motivation to write poetry again. She said, "It feels like I got a part of myself back." Strawberries are easy to work into your day, fresh, frozen, on oatmeal or in smoothies. And the benefits are backed by science, not hype. Don't underestimate them just because they're familiar. When it comes to brain health, strawberries are one of nature's best-kept secrets. Start small, stay consistent, and your brain will thank you. Number 2. Blackberries. Blood flow. Booster for aging brains. Blackberries may be small, but they're loaded with brain-boosting power. Rich in anthocyanins, vitamin C, and tannins, these berries help improve blood flow to the brain, keeping your mind sharp as you age. Poor circulation is a hidden cause of memory lapses and slower thinking in seniors. But blackberries fight back by nourishing brain cells with oxygen and nutrients. Animal studies have shown that blackberry extract improves memory and coordination in aging brains. Experts believe the same antioxidants can benefit people too, especially those over 60. Take Charles, a 78-year-old retired pianist. He came to us frustrated, forgetting notes during practice, losing confidence. We suggested something simple. Add 1 cup of blackberries to his daily yogurt. Within a month, he was playing full sonatas again. No mistakes, no hesitation. His focus was back, and so was his joy. Blackberries slide effortlessly into your routine. Fresh or frozen, blended into smoothies, scattered over salads, or eaten straight from the bowl. They don't lose their edge. Forget pills, gimmicks, or 10-step wellness hacks. This is real food, doing real work, right where it counts. Want sharper focus, stronger memory, better brain flow? Grab the blackberries. They're not just fruit, they're brain fuel, loaded with power. Each bite is a small act of mental defiance, your mind switched on. Number 3. Raspberries. Cellular shields against memory loss. Raspberries aren't just tart and tasty. They're also a natural shield for your brain cells. Packed with quercetin, ellagitannins, and vitamin C, these berries help defend neurons from oxidative stress, one of the silent drivers behind age-related memory loss and cognitive decline. As we age, the brain becomes more vulnerable to cellular damage. But raspberries bring in reinforcements. Multiple studies show that these compounds support neural cell survival and reduce inflammation, especially in areas tied to memory and learning. While most research has been done in lab settings, early human studies are showing promise, particularly when raspberries are consumed consistently as part of a brain-healthy diet. Let's look at Carmen, a 70-year-old retired nurse. She came to us worried. She said her thoughts felt slippery and daily tasks took more effort. Instead of reaching for more medication, we encouraged her to add a handful of fresh raspberries to her morning oatmeal. Within 2 months, she reported sharper thinking, easier mornings, and a return to her favorite hobby, crossword puzzles. Her mood improved too. Raspberries are easy to add to any meal, fresh, frozen, or freeze-dried. Their nutrients stay potent. Just skip the sugar overload. Keep them natural for max brain benefit. Memory loss isn't a given with age. Your brain can stay sharp. You just need the right fuel. They're one of the most delicious, powerful tools nature gives you. Number 4. Mulberries, brain cell protector and mood stabilizer. Mulberries may not be the most common berry, but they're a quiet powerhouse when it comes to brain health. Rich in cyanidin 3-glucoside, C3G, these berries help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, two major causes of memory decline and mental fatigue as we age. In lab studies, C3G has been shown to support cell survival in the hippocampus, the part of your brain that handles memory and learning. Researchers believe mulberries may play a role in preserving clarity and emotional balance later in life. Take Harold, a 74-year-old retired teacher who tutored neighborhood kids. He told us he kept forgetting names and felt mentally off. We suggested a simple change. Add a small handful of dried mulberries to his daily snack. Within a few weeks, Harold said he felt sharper, more focused, and emotionally steady. He said, "It's like my brain caught its breath." Mulberries are naturally sweet, easy to enjoy dried or fresh, and fit seamlessly into almost any routine. No prep, no hassle. Toss them into oatmeal, trail mix, or just eat them by the handful. They make smart eating simple. If you're searching for a natural way to protect your memory, boost mental clarity, and support long-term brain health, don't overlook mulberries. They may not get as much spotlight, but sometimes the strongest support comes from the most unexpected places. Quiet, powerful, and straight from nature. Number 5. Bilberries, vision and memory. Enhancement in one fruit. Bilberries, often called the European cousin of blueberries, are a true double-duty berry for seniors, supporting both your eyes and your brain. These small, dark berries are loaded with anthocyanins, lutein, and flavonoids that protect neurons and strengthen the tiny blood vessels that feed both the retina and the brain. As we age, circulation declines and oxidative stress builds up, affecting memory, focus, and even vision. But bilberries fight back. In studies on older animals, bilberry extract improved spatial memory and motor function, and researchers suggest these effects could extend to humans, especially in slowing age-related cognitive changes. Let's meet Elise, a 69-year-old sculptor who came to us frustrated. She said her night vision was getting worse, and her creativity felt blocked. We encouraged her to start eating a small bowl of bilberries before bed, just a handful. Within a month, Elise reported not only clearer night vision, but also a return of mental clarity and flow in her work. She told us, "It felt like my eyes and my mind woke up together." Bilberries can be found fresh, frozen, or as a high-quality extract. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, or enjoy them on their own. They're tart, tasty, and incredibly potent for brain and eye support. Many seniors treat memory and vision as separate issues, but bilberries remind us they're connected. Support your eyes, and your brain follows. Number 6. Black currants. Natural support for brain connectivity. Black currants may not be as popular as other berries, but when it comes to brain health, they're one of the most powerful allies for seniors. These dark purple berries are packed with anthocyanins, vitamin C, and polyphenols that help protect the brain from oxidative stress while enhancing neurotransmitter function, the very system that helps your brain cells communicate with each other. One of blackcurrant's most impressive benefits is their potential to reduce amyloid buildup, a key contributor to Alzheimer's disease. By supporting blood flow and regulating brain chemistry, they help maintain clarity, attention, and overall brain performance. Let's talk about Peter, a 76-year-old retired journalist who came to us with a concern many seniors share: losing his train of thought mid-conversation. He found it harder to finish sentences or remember key points. We recommended a simple routine. Add blackcurrant juice to his breakfast every morning. Within 4 weeks, Peter reported smoother thinking, sharper conversations, and more confidence during family dinners. "It felt like my words came back," he said. "Blackcurrants can be enjoyed as juice, powder, or fresh if available. Just make sure it's unsweetened and pure. No artificial fillers." For anyone struggling with mental clarity or verbal recall, blackcurrants are more than just a fruit. They're natural support for the brain's wiring system. Number 7. Blueberries. The gold standard for brain longevity. Blueberries aren't just a healthy snack. They're one of the most studied and trusted brain-supporting berries available today. Loaded with anthocyanins, flavonoids, and vitamin K, blueberries help fight oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and improve communication between brain cells, especially in older adults. In a groundbreaking 12-week clinical study, seniors who consumed a daily dose of wild blueberry powder showed measurable improvements in memory, reaction time, and attention tasks. Even more impressive, their blood pressure dropped and overall vascular health improved, further supporting brain function long-term. Let's meet Linda, a 71-year-old retired painter, who came to us describing her thoughts as foggy and her focus fading. Her creativity, once vibrant, had dulled. We suggested a simple change: a wild blueberry smoothie every morning. After 2 months, Linda felt sharper, more alert, and inspired. She picked up her brushes again and completed 3 new paintings, her best in years. Whether you use fresh, frozen, or powdered wild blueberries, the science is clear. Blueberries help your brain stay young. They're easy to blend into oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies, and delicious enough to enjoy daily. For seniors concerned about memory, mental energy, or focus, blueberries are more than a fruit. They're a daily habit for brain longevity backed by real clinical research. Number 8. Elderberries. Immunity and brain function in one. Elderberries are often praised for their immune-boosting power. But there's more to these tiny, dark berries than fighting off colds. They're packed with anthocyanins, rutin, and polyphenols that help protect the brain from inflammation, support neuronal health, and even contribute to mood stability, a critical but overlooked aspect of aging. As we get older, inflammation in the brain can silently interfere with memory, focus, and emotional balance. Elderberries step in as a natural defense, helping to regulate oxidative stress and support healthy brain aging. Take Gerald, a 75-year-old retired chef. He noticed more mental fog during the day and described feeling more irritable than usual. Instead of reaching for over-the-counter mood boosters, we suggested something simple: elderberry syrup in his evening tea. Within a few weeks, Gerald reported clearer thinking and a calmer mood. He even started experimenting with new recipes again, something he hadn't felt motivated to do in over a year. Elderberries are most effective when taken consistently. You can use unsweetened syrup, mix the juice into drinks, or try dried elderberries in herbal infusions. Just make sure it's pure. Many store-bought versions are loaded with sugar. If you're over 60 and want to support both your brain and immune system naturally, elderberries offer a double benefit. Number 9. Wild blueberries, the ultimate memory defender. Wild blueberries may be small, but their brain-boosting power is unmatched. Compared to regular blueberries, wild varieties contain nearly twice the anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that cross the blood-brain barrier to protect neurons and enhance memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. In a landmark 12-week human trial, older adults who consumed just 1 cup of wild blueberries daily showed noticeable improvements in working memory, attention span, and cognitive flexibility, the ability to switch between tasks and thoughts with ease. Even better, their vascular health improved, which is key to maintaining healthy brain blood flow. Meet Eleanor, an 80-year-old grandmother who stopped reading novels because she couldn't remember the last page she read. Her daughter brought her in, hopeful for a gentle solution. We suggested a simple daily habit, a small bowl of wild blueberries with her breakfast. 3 months later, Eleanor had finished 3 full books and recalled every chapter. "It feels like my brain is lighting up again," she told us. Wild blueberries are easy to find frozen year-round or in freeze-dried powder form. Sprinkle them on cereal, blend them into smoothies, or eat them straight. Just 1 small serving a day can make a big difference. If you're over 60 and worried about memory loss, wild blueberries aren't just food. They're your daily brain protection plan.